Who's the best person to name as your trustee? And how do you choose without starting a family feud? People often feel guilty or unsure about who to choose or how to communicate their choice to their family. Your trustee is the person responsible for making sure your wishes are correctly implemented after you're gone. Choosing the right person makes all the difference. The trustee is responsible for all of the assets in the trust. If you're alive, the trustee is responsible for paying your bills and making sure you have what you need. The trustee is responsible for filing trust tax returns when necessary, making sure any liquid assets are invested responsibly, making distributions to beneficiaries according to the trust terms, selling or transferring real estate, and generally wrapping things up. You want someone who takes this responsibility seriously, has the time available to do the job, who's financially competent and financially stable, and who feels comfortable consulting attorneys and tax professionals as needed. Mistakes to avoid. Choosing out of obligation. Don't pick the wrong person just because they expected to be picked or you were concerned that leaving them out would hurt their feelings. Not considering relevant skills. Someone who is organized and capable can do a great job even if they don't have a banking background. Communication and responsiveness are also very important for a trustee. Picking someone who can't be neutral in family disputes or stand up to pressure. Sometimes you know that there will be disputes about the distribution of your estate or pressure from beneficiaries to provide funds early. You want a trustee that will do the right thing and not get caught up in conflict or cave under pressure. So what if you're still not sure whether to choose a family member, a friend, or a professional trustee? One possibility is to have a family member or friend be co-trustee with a professional. The family member or friend will have the care for your family that you want, and the professional will take the burden of dotting all the I's and crossing all of the T's off of their shoulders. Red flags you should look out for include: don't choose someone who isn't responsible with their own funds or who has financial difficulties. They will not be more responsible with your assets than they are with their own. And you don't want to choose someone who may be tempted to borrow assets from your trust because of their own financial situation. Don't choose someone who's unreasonably slow to action. Don't choose someone who doesn't have the time to do the job. Sometimes fantastic choices are very, very busy, and this makes them the wrong choice. I've worked with multiple families where the person with the decision-making power was not the person actually willing to do the legwork to get things done, and we had to find workarounds to get things accomplished. Don't let choosing your trustee be the thing that keeps you from getting your estate in order. Give us a call today or download the Beginner's Guide to Estate Planning to learn more.